Good Monday, everyone. Starting our new week with a bit of a new graphic here. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union weather headlines. We got rain and storm chances increasing as we go through the week. And we'll also be monitoring a flash flood risk as we go through the week as well. Not looking for too much in the way of severe weather, but isolated severe storms can always be possible this time of the year, but that flash flood risk may become a bit elevated as we go through the days of this week. USA mortgage level of concern, level 1 again today, and we won't be level 0 again for the rest of the week. We'll always be a 1, maybe even a 2 on certain days, especially as we monitor that flash flood risk. Widespread severe weather is not expected at this point, at any point this week, but any storm that develops could be quite intense with some frequent lightning, gusty winds, and then that flash flood risk. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Today, 50-50 shot for showers and thunderstorms, especially this afternoon and evening, the heat of the day. Highs in the upper 80s. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, we have a 70% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And those will be, again, mainly in the afternoon and evening, but we can't rule out a morning shower or storm each of those days as well. Highs in the upper 80s on Tuesday, mid 80s on Wednesday. Thursday looks like the wettest day of the week with scattered showers and thunderstorms likely, and that's a 90% chance for those. So it won't rain all the time every day, but it'll be that scattered stuff that we've been dealing with, so far this year. Very seasonal weather for this time of the year in our part of the country. Friday, we're back down to a 70% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. So an unsettled week ahead for sure. Premier Generators brings us our threat outlook, and again, widespread severe weather not expected, but isolated severe storms cannot be ruled out. And again, that the localized flash flood risk. Keep that especially in mind if you're camping near any rivers or streams or any waterways like that, because we've certainly seen across the country those can be very dangerous places to camp when that water level rises too quickly, and we can never ignore that lightning threat as well. We've had a lot of folks hurt or killed by lightning in this country this spring and into the summer, so we want to keep those numbers down. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Travel, 1938, Jupiter's moon Lysithea was discovered. My goodness, from the Mount Wilson Observatory. So you can read more about that. It was thought to be an asteroid captured by Jupiter's gravity, named after a woman in Greek mythology who was one of Zeus's lovers. 1981, Montana was in the midst of a snowstorm that dumped 10 inches of snow at Glacier National Park and produced winds to 90 miles per hour. Wow. That's a snowstorm, folks. You folks have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful start to your week. Keep looking up. For even more weather information, just go to meteorologistsmart.com.